Hey everybody, new little project here on the rental house. I got a quote for $750 for them to come and repair the crown of the chimney up here. Said that, it has cracks in it, and I think they wanted to repair one or two of the bricks, I think. But, overall, not in bad shape. And naturally the do-it-yourselfer in me says $750. That's a decent amount of money. Sorry, I'm walking kind of gingerly. This is a pretty steep roof and I'm not tied in. But yeah, so there's like one or two bricks that are messed up, otherwise not in bad shape. What I'm doing is taking a little wire brush, cleaning it up. And then I got some like polymer type concrete repair, and just said trowel it on. It's only about a 10-pound bucket. Trowel it on, and we'll see what it looks like when we're finished. But $750, I don't think so. All right, took the wire brush, took the paintbrush, cleaned it up. No more bird poop. It actually looks pretty good when you take all that dirt off of there. But I'm gonna go down here and show you what kind of stuff we have. What's it called? And we'll see how well it works. So we have Quikrete vinyl, sorry, not polymer, vinyl concrete patcher. Trowels to a feather edge, repairs cracked concrete, sidewalk steps, floors. Oh, polymer modified, that's where I saw it. Just so everybody knows, there are no leaks on the inside of the house from that chimney cap. So it's not like it's a precautionary maintenance type measure, not an actual repair to a failing chimney crown on the inside of the house. So we'll see how it goes. All right, got it to a nice, workable condition. It says it sets up in a half hour, so can't do this one on camera. Gotta go. All right, guys. So as you can see, just finished up here. Got a nice edge all around the chimney. And then I filled up all the cracks best I could. I was starting to run out. So a couple of the bigger ones, patched it here. Around that side, patched it up there. This was like one of the bigger cracks in the back here, but easy to work with for the most part, and hopefully it lasts. If I'm ever back up here again, I'll be sure to take another video, let you know how it's all working out. Thanks.